Welcome back. Today we're exploring a piece of alignment that's often overlooked. Not how you begin, but how you complete. Because every unfinished task, every half-made promise, every open loop creates tiny leaks in your energy. Completion isn't just about productivity. It's about energetic integrity. Let's start by centering into that truth together. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Now bring to mind something you've been meaning to finish. A small task, a conversation, a project, a promise to yourself. Feel how even thinking about it pulls a thread of your attention. That's what an energetic leak feels like. Subtle, but constant. Completion is how you seal those leaks and reclaim your energy. Here's the truth. Every time you complete something, even something tiny, you send a clear message to your subconscious. I am reliable, I follow through, I can trust myself. And that trust builds power. Because manifestation and alignment require faith, not just in the universe, but in you. When you complete what you start, you strengthen the energetic bridge between intention and outcome. It's not just symbolic, it's somatic. Your body feels the relief of closure. Here's your energy of completion protocol. Step 1. Identify one open loop. Something you've been postponing, big or small. It could be finishing a task, sending a message, organizing a drawer, or wrapping up a creative idea. Step 2. Commit to completion. Don't overthink it. Just choose it. Take the next doable step and allow the satisfaction of closing that loop. Step 3. Acknowledge the energy shift. When you complete something, pause for a moment and feel it. Breathe in that sense of lightness. You've just reclaimed energy that was scattered. Here's the science behind it. When you complete a task, your brain releases serotonin and dopamine. Those are neurochemicals that generate feelings of satisfaction, clarity, and calm. This not only boosts your mood, it reinforces a feedback loop of competence and confidence. You're literally training your brain to associate completion with pleasure and pride. And that becomes the foundation of consistent alignment. Let's take a moment to anchor that. Close your eyes for a breath. Now imagine one open loop, one unfinished thing, finally brought to completion. Visualize it done. Feel the relief in your body, the clarity in your mind, the satisfaction in your chest. That feeling is your reward. That's the energy of completion. So today, choose one thing, just one, and bring it to completion. It could take 5 minutes or 5 hours, it doesn't matter. What matters is the message it sends to your subconscious. I am the kind of person who finishes what I start. Because every act of completion restores your integrity, sharpens your focus, and amplifies your magnetism. And when your energy is complete, your manifestations can finally flow through cleanly, without resistance, without fragmentation. So close one open loop today and feel the power of completion. Because the end of one thing is the energetic beginning of the next.